Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change WordPress password in Hostinger. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, go on the home page of Hostinger. Make sure you are logged in. Now go on the left side and click on websites. Here, click on websites list. Now in here, select the website in which you want to change the password. I'm going with this one, support.manaptif.com. Now just click over here on WordPress admin. Okay, you will see this page. Just click over here on this WordPress icon on top left side. Click on it. Okay. Now on the left side, click on users and select profile. Just scroll down and here. Just click on set new password and you're good to go. So that's it for the video. That's how you can change password in Hostingo. Thanks for watching.